Tonight, we gather not just to welcome you home, but to recognize your courage, professionalism, and sacrifice. The mission you carried out was far from easy. You managed large crowds, long hours, and intense operational demands. Yet, you remained calm, composed, and disciplined. Your performance reflects the true character of a Central Luzon police officer. Hindi lang kayo mahusay, you are reliable, disciplined, and driven by genuine public service. You showed the country that PRO3 embodies professionalism, respect, and integrity even in the most demanding situations. I also bring the heartfelt appreciation of our acting Chief PNP, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Sinartate Jr. He extends his gratitude for your commitment and professionalism during the 3-day rally. Your actions these past days clearly upheld the PRO3 strategic direction, the 3 Ps: protect the people, you ensured a safe, orderly environment for thousands of rally participants. Pursue peace and order, you maintained discipline and readiness throughout the deployment and promote professionalism. You exemplified courtesy, restraint, and integrity in every engagement. I am proud of you. PRO3 is proud of you, and the entire PNP is grateful for you. Your dedication ensured peaceful and successful deployment, and tonight, we celebrate you as heroes of PRO3.